Hello everyone, today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to program Lilybot to perform simple tasks using AI. And so the AI platform you're going to use is called coderobots.ai. And so here is just a quick demonstration of how to use it. The first thing we do is we have to connect Lilybot via USB to my computer. So I do that right now, and then I click the red button here that says connect device, and then I choose the exact ports and say connected. And so when I get this information on my console, I know I am connected and I am good to go. The first step is to come to this chat right here and specify, okay, what bot am I using, what controller, microcontroller am I using. So with that, I start a new conversation here, and I specify Lilybot Raspberry Pi and submit. And so now I know the exact microcontroller I am using. The first thing I would do is I have this document that specifies all the pin connections that I'm using for my model, my ultrasonic sensors, my LED on there. And so I'm going to copy this, everything on this doc, and just paste it right here. And so this is all the connections I have, and just tell the AI that hello, this is my connections for Lilybot, right? And so I'm gonna tell it to write program to blink the internal LED of the Raspberry Pi for 100 milliseconds and turn off for 100 milliseconds as well. And so with this, I'm good to go. I send the message. It doesn't need to be anything complex. This is just a demonstration. And so I say view code snippet, and this is the code that it has on here for me. And so I can say paste in editor or replace in editor. Since there's nothing in my editor, there's nothing to replace, and so I'm just gonna say paste in editor. Now I'm ready to run my code. I can close the chat right now, and once you're ready, I'm just gonna restart just so I know the code is clear. Once you're ready, you click on the run current file to run. When we get this, the LED should be blinking. So let's see how that works. And of course, the LED is blinking as it should. So now that we've been able to get the AI to help us write code to blink our internal LED, we're going to do more complex stuff. And so now we're going to ask it to help us use the ultrasonic sensor to calculate and print out distances. And so that is my instruction. I hit enter, wait for it to generate the code. And so this is the code. I view code snippet, and I replaced the code in the editor, and we're ready to go. We're going to test it out. And so I close my chat, and then once I'm ready, I just hit run. And so we're going to do a demo and see if it works indeed.